guys, welcome to our channel again, and today we have topic about Earth and Life Science. Actually, I'm Emilia. Our Earth and Life Science Quarter 1 Module 4 Rocks. Bamba, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. What is it? Earth is a solid rock to a depth of 2,900 kilometers where mantle meets the liquid outer core. A rock is a naturally occurring solid aggregate of one or more minerals. The aggregate minerals forming the rocks are held together by chemical bonds. Grains can be different in color, texture, and size. Geologists then group rocks into three categories based on how the rocks form: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. Petrology is the scientific study of rocks. Petrologists classify rocks based on how they were formed. Three types of rocks: igneous, formed from hardening and crystallization of magma or molten material that originates deep within the earth. A. Extrusive and volcanic rock, forms when magma makes its way to Earth's surface as lava and then cools. Then the crystals are very small, fine grained, since the cooling process is fast. B. Intrusive and plutonic. It cools slowly, beneath the Earth's surface and are created by magma. The intrusive igneous rocks have very large crystals, coarse-grained. Igneous rocks are classified based on composition about felsic, mafic, intermediate, ultramafic. Felsic light in color, feldspar and silicate. Then mafic, dark in color, made of magnesium and iron. Intermediate between mafic and felsic. Ultramafic, very dark color. Then texture, overall appearance of rock: aphanistic, fine grain; phaneritic, coarse grain; porphyritic, large crystal with small crystals; glassy, non-ordered solid from rapid quenching; then pyroclastic, composite of inject fragments. Then example: obsidian, pumice, basalt, granite, diorite, and gabbro. Then sedimentary rocks provide information about surface conditions that exist in the Earth's past. Then particles of sand shells, pebbles, and other fragments of materials called sediments then accumulate in layers and over long period of time harden into rocks. Then compression, due to an increase of pressure of layers, sediments it bind together to form the sedimentary rocks. Then three types of sedimentary rocks. A is acidic sedimentary rock, then form from accumulation of glass is later pieces of broken rocks and shells. Example is conglomerate, precious sandstone. Then shell, letter B, hermitical, formed when dissolved minerals precipitate from a solution. Example, halite formed when a body of water becomes closed off and evaporates. Letter C, organic rocks from the accumulation of animal debris. Example like how composed of organic matter in the form of plant fragments. This an igneous rock is andesite, basalt, diorite, gabbro, granite, obsidian, pegmatite, periodicite, then pumice, rhyolite, scoria, and tuff. That's the igneous. Then metamorphic forms the pre-existing rocks, either metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary. Examples: quartzites, marbles, slate, and perlite. Sedimentary rocks yield chalk, limestone, and sandstone. Metamorphism, transformation of one rock type into another. Two types of metamorphism is equal due to change in pressure and temperature over large region of the crust. Two, contact mainly by heat due to contact with magma. Classification, exterior refers to the size, arrangement, and grains within the rock. Agitation and planar arrangement of mineral grains or structural features within the rock. Dinofiltide appeared banded and layered, contains crystal. Example is mica. Example of metaphoric rocks here is garnet, amphibolite, slate, sphalerite or rock, marble, eglokite, sadiite, schist, genes, then non-affiliated made up of only a few minerals. Then you identify and classify the types of rocks below as igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then collect at least 5 rock samples in your place and take photo. Okay. Photo of the samples, then describe the characteristics of each rock depending on their appearance, texture, and color, and layers or bands. Then classify them as igneous, sedimentary, or metallic. Then about if this watch more understanding science word course of puzzles, answer the question below that refer to the terms about the characteristics and different types of rocks. Now, 1 year across rocks form from accumulation of classified pieces. 2. Formation igneous rocks due to hardening of magma. 3. Transformation of one rock type into another. Number 4. Combined aggregation of minerals. 5. Composed of eject fragments. C. Echiae volcanic rock. 7. Fine grained rock. Downward sediments bind together due to increase in pressure. 9. Coarse grain. 10. Sedentary rocks form from plants and animals. Then what have I learned? Fill in the table below by providing basic information about the types of rocks. You may refer to the words in the box below. What kind of type sample process information is an igneous, sedimentary, and metaphoric? Word list here is lithification, metamorphism, calling, cementation, deposition, metamorphism, humus, sandstone, andesite, slate, marble, plastic, intrusive, extrusive, non-plastic, or contract. Then, last, fill the Venn diagram to determine the similarities and differences of 3 types of rocks. Then what I can do? Replica upon rocks all around us. It is used for building materials, cars, roads, and appliances. As a senior high school student, how can you promote a sustainable development utilizing those resources? Give some vision. Number 2, using the internet research. 3 rocks of different types of sedimentary and metaphoric and state their respective economic and medical significance in our present society. Anding the accidentally complete the concept map additional activities. A. Complete the concept map using the words below. Wait guys. Oh gosh. Then rocks can be classified. Then rocks can be classified in how they were formed. This one is formed from cooling and solidification of magma. 2 formed from compaction and cementation. 3 rocks change due to immersion and pressure change. 4 magma cools slowly, contacts sediments glass besides heat. Then lava cools quickly, evaporates precipitate biological matter, temperature. There's a list below Spitari, non-classic, plastic, extrusive, or igneous. Contact metabolism, regional metabolism, or interface. The letter V, additional activities, fell in the missing word term to complete the rock cycle. We may refer to the box below. Rock cycles is weathering, erosion, transport, and position. Oh my god. Then igneous minerals, metamorphic, metabolism, sedimentary, thermal expansion, heat and or pressure, intrusion, and eruption. God, what? Then let's start to answer. Rocks can be classified on how they were formed. So let's find out. Uy, igang. Ouch. Yeah, let's start, guys. So what? I take off my jacket. Then rocks can be classified on how they were formed. Okay, let's start. New start. Oh my god. Wait na guys. Yeah, let's find out. It See you next time we will start another video.